In this video, I'll show you how to fix the max retries exceeded EOF error in Ollama. I got this error while downloading a model from Hugging Face using Ollama. The download would go up to around 43%, then stop and show this error. Sometimes it would even reach 99% fail and then seem to start over again. If you're having the same problem, here's what fixed it for me. First, open File Explorer and check how much free space you have on the drive where Ollama is installed. In my case, my C drive had only about 1 GB of free space left. The model I was downloading was around 8.5 GB in size. Because there wasn't enough free storage, Ollama couldn't finish the download and showed the EOF error. To fix it, I simply moved some large files and folders to another drive that had more free space. Make sure you free up at least as much space as the size of the model you're downloading. Having extra free space is even better. After that, I copied the same Ollama command and ran it again. The good news is that Ollama did not start from the beginning. It resumed the download from where it stopped. In my case, it continued from around 43% and kept downloading normally. So if you're getting the max retries exceeded EOF error, check your storage space first. A full drive may be the reason the download keeps failing. That's it for this video. I hope this helped you.